go. Check this out. Here they come, guys.
I am super hot.
You're gonna start seeing this table come together right now. Go all the way around it. Don't be stingy. Boom, just like that. Boom, boom, shakalaka.
And that's it.
Woo!
I'm just gonna go ahead, seal all these little tiny holes left and right.
All right, guys, here is our masterpiece. Look at that thing. Amazing. Here is the whole table. This is almost a finished product now. Let's see how much water we can actually put in here. I have 2 5-gallon buckets here. So we're gonna do a little test.
So we got a long way to go for the side.
All right, cool. Let's see it. I think we're just about getting there, guys. So this can hold about 8 gallons of water. And right now, this is looking super good. Hopefully the water levels do not decrease. If they don't, we'll be able to put fish in them immediately. Let's go give it a try. We're getting some goldfish to test out our table, guys, our aquarium table. It's gonna be super, super cool. These guys are all destined for a sad Shamu stomach death. But these guys for now are actually gonna be kept alive. First, I'm gonna keep them inside that table just to give you guys an example of what it looks like, and for myself, because this is the first time I've ever built anything like this. All right, cool. So these guys look good. They should acclimate pretty quickly. Goldfish are super hardy fish. We're gonna take all these guys home and see how they last in our tabletop aquarium. These are the big factors of having it filtered. A couple of these sponges, some of that coral rock, and some carbon, guys. That's all you really need aside from that small pump to have a working filter. All right, guys, these guys have been acclimating for just a half an hour. I'm super excited, guys. Let's see how it works. We're about to put this thing inside our fish table and see if it works 100%. It wasn't leaking outside. If this does get everywhere, it is going to be quite the mess. Timmy and I are gonna have to clean up, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there and siphon it out. Woo. Check that out, baby. Get in there. Look at the flow. Let's go. Boom. Just finished our 5-gallon bucket, guys. Gonna do the same thing that I did with the other bucket right up here. Perfect. I want it to be about 1 inch high. I want it to be deep enough that these fish can swim back and forth and back and forth. Since I might put other fish in here, I'm gonna go ahead and remove these fish from the water that they came in just to be safe. I'm gonna go ahead and do the honors right here. I'm gonna pour them in here. Okay.
Goldfish waterfall.
Goldfish waterfall. Okay. We got most of them. There it goes. Make sure we got all of them. Cool. I'm actually gonna release them right here and see where they go from there. You ready? Set, go. Check it out, here they come.
So cool.
Here they come, guys. Check this out. Get a nice high shot for everybody at home. Check them out, guys. These guys are acclimated, they're ready to go. They're gonna be free swimming, but what they're actually doing is they're staying inside there until they get more comfortable. I wonder how long we can keep them in here. I see that the goldfish are in here. They're swimming back and forth. Are any in here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, and then what they're actually doing is they're sticking in cover, except for over there. For some reason, they're just out in the open right there. So when they're really happy though, after being in here for a while, I'm sure after feeding them for a while, I'm positive these fish would just follow you back and forth around the table, which would be absolutely ridiculous. Just like my bad Shamu, guys. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put a tabletop on this. The fish look great. Look, they're starting to move around over there now. It's so cool. We're gonna see what's going on after I put on that tabletop and see how this looks. Yes, my friends, the fish are moving. The table is here. Ridiculous. Let me see if I can scare some of the fish out of here.
There's some over here.
Run, guys, run. Run, run.
Successfully made them hide in all the holes.
Yeah, I know, right? These guys are hiding for now, but they're definitely gonna get more comfortable in here. We're gonna see what happens when we like feed them a little bit. We're gonna put a filter on this. We're gonna introduce some new fish. I think we're gonna take out most of these goldfish. Once they're done eating, once I see that fish can actually survive in here properly, it's gonna be pretty cool, guys. But we did it, we have the table, it 100% works, and you can keep fishing here.